Hello, this is Lance, putting in a good word for my friends at Midtown Sweeps. This is called a chimney fire, and temperatures can exceed 2,000 degrees Fahrenheit. Because creosote is a carbon-based combustible, it can actually ignite and begin to burn along the entire inside of the flue. Chimney fires are responsible for thousands of home fires every year in America and around the world. The best way to prevent a chimney fire is to clean the chimney annually. That is where Midtown Sweeps comes in. With state-of-the-art tools, a love of technology, and a ready knowledge of local codes and regulations, Midtown Sweeps is your local chimney service business of choice. Among their satisfied customers are resident homeowners, businesses, and real estate company. I fought a forest fire and a prairie fire. The worst fire you could have with your wood stove or fireplace is a chimney fire. Believe me, you don't want one. So when you make a choice for the safety of your home and your family, make the right choice. Accept no substitutes. This is Midtown Sweeps, the chimney experts. Call Midtown Sweeps today